Part 4. My theory on the beginning and life on Earth. The first thing you should know about Earth is that she's a planet where light and darkness is shared evenly. 12 hours for day, 12 for night, and that includes everything. Shadow and dark clouds share the day, while stars and lights share the night. Earth once was an ice planet, originated from the winter triangle star formation of the Orion's belt. Earth's surface covered in frozen ice from surface to core, along with a companion moon. Billions of years the Earth and moon were picked up by the sun. The warmth from the sun slowly defrosting Earth and the moon. After the Earth core warmed up, it began to spin. First slow, then faster and faster, terraforming the oceans and skies to sustain all the life form DNA that lie dormant in the ocean on Earth. I believe Earth has many cycles of life, which is separated by great floods, like the life cycle of dinosaurs, destroyed by a great flood, and then another life cycle of dragons, also destroyed by a great flood. Then the life cycles of giants pass through the cycle of time, along with many other different cycles of life morphogenesis, more developed and more intelligence with each passing cycle. But now we're in our life cycle, and our life cycle consists of gods, lords, kings, queens, love, hate, dark, light with the ability to recognize, comprehend, and so much more. Since 3 is the universal number for our cycle of life. So, I believe we were given a 3 million year life cycle to grow, multiply, and die. Earth was created with all the elements including seeds of life, from the 3-star winter triangle before light was formed. But when the sun and Earth was tossed into orbit doing the forming of light, the forming of stars, the life that was inserted on Earth doing her creation. After the ice on Earth had melted and warmed up, a seed that holds our body, spirit, DNA, and our soul, while the vine keeps us connected to our soul by way of some sort of radio waves. As I illustrated in part 2, the flower of life. Remember, there are 3 million years in each life cycle. Every cycle ends in a great flood. After the ending of one cycle is the beginning of another cycle of life, just like time. 12 o'clock a.m. ends one day at the same time, another day begin. So, the new cycle of life starts with Earth terraforming the oceans, preparing it for our return. So, the first 2.5 million years are spent on terraforming, morphogenesis, sirens, gods, and lords. Then, a lord gave birth to the first human female. 10 fingers, 10 toes, the end of morphogenesis. So, for the next 476 millenniums, the lords with their web hands and feet die out, while fully developed human, asexual, female began to multiply. During the last 24 millenniums of this cycle of life, the first male was born, and the first female by man's sperm was born and called women. So today our cycle of life is now in the 6th millennium, with 6 millenniums left before the Great Flood ends this life cycle.